This is a door lock cylinder from a Toyota product. The body of the lock will mount to the door. When you rotate the key, you rotate this arm. The arm operates the latch via a rod. So I've taken this apart before, so it'll be easier to take apart now. But the way that this comes apart, so we take the clip off. Take the arm off, wave washer off. Spring off. Faceplate comes off. The door comes off. So the door here goes over the bore, so it prevents moisture and dirt from getting in to the lock. Then we can stick the key in, pull the lock cylinder bore out. The way that this works is, as you can see, it's a completely perfect cylinder, but when you take the key out, the tumblers stick out. In the lock cylinder housing, you can see that it's got a perfect cylindrical shape, but at the top there's a channel that these tumblers can insert into. You can't turn the bore in the body when these tumblers are raised into that channel. When you insert the key, tumblers get lined up one by one until it's a perfectly smooth bore again, cylinder. Stick the bore into the body and it rotates. Pull it out. As those tumblers rise up into the path, the channel, you can no longer turn it. It's the basic idea of how a lock cylinder works on a Toyota door. Most lock cylinders are designed very similarly. They'll look very different, but they'll all do something very similar. The tumblers look like little wafers. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you can see the tip of a spring. In this little hole, springs live. When you put the wafer in, it springs the wafer back up so that it wants to push up into that channel in the lock cylinder body. That is a door lock cylinder explained.